Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to create a opportunity for a referral in Command and how to submit a commission for a referral in Command. All right guys, so first things first, you're going to go to your Opportunities tab. From there, we're going to create an opportunity as you would for any other deal that you are doing. So you'll create your opportunity. For referrals, you can do either listing or buyer. We have checklists in both of those. You'll just pick them based on whether you have referred the seller or the buyer. I'm going to go with buyer. We're going to put in our client. Please note, if nothing is popping up here, you do need to create your client before you go to this stage. For instructions on how to do that, we have tutorials on how to create a general opportunity. The opportunity name is going to be your property address, so please make sure that you put your property name here. And you'll put in your commission rate. You'll want to do that for your referral rate just to make life easier in the long run. So then you'll create. From here, I do want to make a quick note that you will want to put your property address into here so that when you do create your opportunity, when you do create your offer and then go into your commission, it can be accepted by the system into Winmore. So I'm going to go ahead and do a general address. We'll do ours 720 West Lancaster Avenue just to make things easier. Save. All right. So with any other opportunity, you'll go to Documents and you will pick your checklist type. This is where things get a little bit different. You'll see referral right down at the bottom here. If you don't see referral, then you have probably picked a rental. So make sure that you have double checked which type you have put in here. You should only pick listing or buyer for your checklist types for your opportunities for referrals. So we're going to click referral right here. And then from this point on, you can toggle between these screens to go ahead and get the required documents. For referrals, the only thing we require is the referral agreement here, and in your closed folder, a copy of the referral check. Michelle is getting copies of those checks, so if you do not have that, you can go ahead and let her know and we can get that to you. All right? From there, just like with any other opportunity, you'll click Add File, and then you'll be able to upload it. Okay? So now when we go into offers, you'll go ahead and need to create an offer. As you can see, my commissions tab is blacked out. So you do need to create an offer before you can have a commission tab. So we'll create our offer. For this, you may not know all of this information because you may not be a part of this process, but you'll go ahead and fill out what you can. For the rest, if you need help, just let us know. I'll go ahead and say that my seller is unknown. You can do that, right? Because I only referred the buyer, I did not refer the seller. So then my associate's name, let's say I referred this to Michelle Ellis. Terms, so we have all of this information here. I'm going to go ahead and go straight to, right, sales price. So we'll say that it sold for, we put down $5,000 and it was financed for $100,000. Alrighty, and then we'll save that. So once you have created this opportunity offer, you can go ahead and accept it. And now, as you can see, my commissions tab is open. From here, you will go ahead and fill this out as you would for any other opportunity. You can go ahead and see that, oh, my commission tab, because I put it in as what my referral commission would be, it's already populated here to make things really easy. We'll say that this started that date. That's fine. And we are all set to go. So from here, I'll go ahead and add a note. Referral deal. That's all we really need to know on the MCA side in order to process this. We will see that because the documents, but it does help to have that little bit of a note. And then you can submit. I'm going to click no, not this time, but that is 100% up to you. Once we have submitted, it is now there for me and Michelle to look at, and we can process it as we do. So that is the process for a referral. It is exactly the same as any other opportunity. If you guys have any other questions, feel free to reach out. Our email address for the compliance team is kwmlrcompliance@gmail.com. We are always available to help you guys out with anything that you may need and any questions you may have. We also have a ton more step-by-step tutorials on all of this information, so if you have any other questions, go ahead and reach out. All right, guys, have a great day.